Hi, my name is Lance Miller from Nandos. I've got two Nandos restaurants. I've got one here in Melville and one in Parktown North. I've been involved with Nandos for over 20 years in the area, and throughout those 20 years we've used Egoli Gas for the Nandos. And over the 20 years it's been a fantastic product. We've had no issues on supply. It's always on, it's always there, and it's always brilliant. It's much safer than having bottles outside the restaurant and having staff switch the bottles around and whatever. With natural gas, it's always there. Yeah, it's a great solution for us. I can't really comment on whether or not it's cost effective for us because I've never worked with bottled gas, so don't really know. But just from a simplicity point of view, there's no ordering, there's no delays, there's no shortages. As I said, in the last 20 years, we've never had an issue with supply. So it's really been consistent, and that's, you know, the level of consistency is great because all the burners it flows through to our product because we've got a level of consistent supply. We know it's coming in. It doesn't dip when the gas runs down in the bottles. And that comes through in our product. Without natural gas, you know, Nando's is all about flame grilled chicken, and there's no way we could actually operate without gas because it's just a far superior product. You know, with cooking, it's much hotter, and yeah, it's a great product to work with. Would I change Egoli Gas? No. It's just so much easier and so much it's just more abundant and much easier to manage. My only issue with Egoli Gas is it's not near my house.